Okay, in question 8 of the exercise, here's what the problem statement says. The price of a TV is rupees 13,000. The sales tax charged on it is at the rate of 12%. So there is a 12% sales tax that is charged on the price. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys this TV. Okay, so let's write this information. Price of TV is rupees 13,000. And we are told that there is a sales tax applied to this price. What is the rate of that sales tax? So sales tax is charged at a rate of 12%. This means that the sales tax on the TV, let's find the amount of that sales tax. So sales tax on TV will be 12% of 13,000. 12% of rupees 13,000. How much is this? So this is equal to 12 by 100 into rupees 13,000. This is the amount of sales tax, and this will be equal to how much? 13,000 by 100 is 130. 130 into 12 is 1,560. So rupees 1,560 will be the amount of sales tax on the TV. So the total price that Vinod will have to pay for this TV will be rupees 13,000, the price, plus the sales tax amount. So rupees 13,000, which is the price of the TV, plus the sales tax amount, rupees 1,560, and this is equal to rupees 14,560. So the answer to question number 8 is that Vinod will have to pay rupees 14,560. And the way we got the answer was we calculated the sales tax amount, rupees 1,560, and added it to the price of the TV, which was rupees 13,000. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.